Pwede mo ako mag-video sa imo kuya.
Ha?
Pwede mo ako okay.
Considering ingon ako sa iya nga Mr. Felix is also the chairman. So we understand fully well our mutual undertakings. We are talking of the cooperative, so we really understand each other. So
So if you don't mind kuya, unsa galito imong kuan first name?
Elias
Elias.
DBD
Si Sir Elias
na.
DBD na.
Oh.
Tapos itong molder na kuhanin mo kuya ay gagamitin ninyo sa ano yung cooperative niyo kuya?
Ilimco, Iligan Light Employees Multipurpose.
Ayun, iligan na.
So we will start with that kind of business to participate in the construction.
Ayun si Kuya Elias. So nandito si
Considering that some of our members are also some are working in the various companies and in the government, and hopefully other cooperatives in Iligan, we are expecting or we are hoping they will also patronize our products.
Okay.
Considering that we are in the same industry.
Yes.
Cooperative. Ang cooperative, as far as I know, during my time also as an officer of credit and consumer cooperative of the National Steel Corporation, is also one of the pillars of the cooperative. So with this undertaking karon, we are expanding and I understand that various cooperatives are helping each other
Yes.
in terms of participating or patronizing each product.
Okay.
There are also members of other cooperatives that are also members of other cooperatives as well. So,
Okay.
that's it.
So thank you kuya. Thank you Sir Elias for coming and trusting Jim Hardware Cagayan de Oro. So ngayon no, para sa ating mga followers, nandito si Sir Elias sa Jim Hardware Cagayan de Oro no, Kanituan branch to purchase the hollow blocks machine for their starting for the business cooperative no. Para sa ano nila, para sa lights, Iligan lights and
Iligan Light employees.
Iligan lights employees multi-purpose cooperative. Ayan, so
In short, Ilimco.
Ilibgo, ayan. So mag-start sila dito ngayon. Marami na silang business kuya, di ba? Mayroon na kayong mga gasoline station and ano pang credit. Ayan yung ano nila. So now water refilling, mayroon silang water refilling. So now they are starting for the concrete products. So nandito sila ni kuya to purchase the hollow blocks molder. So I don't know where we can I don't know which size that they are going to purchase. So standard daw ang ano ni Sir Sobol nga 4 inches ito daw 4 by dong. Pakikuha nga nito dong yung 4 by 8 by 16.
Diri dong kay para ma-video ni Sir Felix.
Ayan yung kukuha nila standard.
And then initially it fits me on the operation on how to so that I can re-go with
Yes.
our molders or fabricators. Bugat ba? Bugat ha? Bugat. Pero murag tanaw na ko sa video, murag gaan ra man tayo.
Kay everyday naman nila ga buhaton. Everyday na nila ga buhaton. So we can ship nationwide, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, international din no. We can ship nationwide sa mga maliliit natin na mga molder at kagaya nito. Pagka nasa Luzon,
so this would be the next target.
3.5 by 8 by 16.
So,
Ito talaga ang ginagamit namin dito everyday. Ginagawa namin everyday ito 3.5. Gumagawa lang kami ng standard kung may mga order.
Sa mga fabricator, they can minimize cost.
Tapos
they can minimize cost and maximize profit.
Ang ano din kuya, yung tawag dito, yung sa buhangin mo, sa 3.5, pwede kang gumawa ng 140 pieces.
Wow.
Hollow blocks.
Ang study na ko ano is 130 lang. So
140 and then sa ato ang standard mga 110 to 115 lang pieces sa standard.
100 to ako giset eh.
100. Parang ganun lang ang pwede niyang ano kasi mas malaki siya.
Kindly ko na lang ni anak ko
Mm.
sa ako ang standard.
Yes, yes, yes.
Para ako na ko sa our cooperative is aiming for a quality product that we can establish in Iligan.
Ayun.
Because we noted that in Iligan there are some fabricators or block makers doing some I don't know if we can call that substandard or some say that it is a commercialized product.
Okay, sige kuya.
Okay.
So, maraming salamat kuya for coming and God bless. Sa good luck.
Papa,